Hello. So I don't know about you, but I love going to op shops and I love going to garage sales and looking for specials. It's not so much that you need things always, it's just that you find things that you wouldn't usually get in the stores. So yesterday I went garage sale shopping and I found this. Now, most of you might think it's a sandwich press. It's called a Takada, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, Dough Cake Maker. And it was $2. So I thought, well, you can't go too far wrong with $2. But what I found really interesting is I thought it might have been a sandwich press. Now, I have just used it, so it's got a bit of oil in it. But when I opened it, this is actually what it looks like inside. So I was really quite intrigued by that. We've lived in Malaysia and Asian countries for a long time, and I thought it looked like the little cakes that you get in Malaysia. In Australia, or England, we would call them Madeleine cakes, but I wasn't too sure. So I don't have a recipe for it. So I thought, well, I'll just give it a go making up a buttercream cake. And I tried that and it was a disaster. I decided that I would oil it up with a bit of butter. And it just didn't work at all. It was just terrible. So then I got on YouTube, watched a few videos and discovered that the trick was oil. Lots and lots of oil, almost like you're deep frying a donut. And so then I did use the buttercream recipe and poured it in, and look, it made these. I've popped them in a little bag because I'm going to take them up to a little friend's house for morning tea, and I thought what we'll do is dust them with a little bit of cinnamon sugar, but I'll take one out just to show you. They're tiny little delicate shaped cakes. Have a look at that. Look, aren't they sweet? And you can dust them with icing sugar. You could probably dip them in something if you want, or you could just have a little bit of melted butter and cinnamon sugar on top of them. I know I probably should have displayed them beautifully for a plate and showed you, but I just thought I'd share this with you. So the brand of that is called a Takada Dough Cake Maker. And I'm not sure if you can get them here or anywhere else. As I said, I got mine at a garage sale, but I'm really enjoying it and loving what you can do with it, and thought I'd love to share that with you. Let me know if you've ever tried this, or if you've got something similar that you've used. I love these little gadgets. Thanks for watching.